Lambton-Kent-Middlesex on introduction of bills.
Thank you very much, Speaker. I move that leave be given to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Estate Administration Tax Act 1998.
Mr. McNaughton moves that leave be given to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Estate Administration Tax Act 1998, and it now be read for the first time. Is the pleasure of the House the motion carry? Carried.
Thank you. This is a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Estate Administration Tax Act 1998. First reading of the bill, Premier Lecture de Projet de Loi.
Member for a short statement.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Currently, the Estate Administration Tax Act 1998 provides that the value of the estate of a deceased person does not include the value of any encumbrance on real property owned by the deceased person. The bill amends the Act so that the value of any encumbrance on any property is excluded from the value of the estate. In addition, the value of a bequest or devise made for a charitable purpose is not included in the value of the estate. The Act also changes the amount of estate administration tax payable starting on the day the bill receives royal assent. For an estate worth $50,000 or less, the amount of tax payable would be nil. The amount of tax for an estate worth more than $50,000 is $5 for every $1,000 by which the value of the estate is greater than $50,000 but less than $100,000, and $20 for every $1,000 by which the value of the estate is greater than $100,000. The maximum amount of tax payable under the new provisions is $3,250, with the result that no estate bears a greater estate administration tax liability under the new rate structure than it does under the current rate structure. The bill also repeals amendments made to the Act by the Better Tomorrow for Ontario Act Budget Measures 2011. Major features of that Act are provisions requiring information about estates to be given to the Minister of Finance and provisions relating to the assessment of estates in respect of their estate administration tax payable under the Act. Thank you.
Thank you.